Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss on important current affairs for today. Subscribe to the channel if the information is helpful. At the end of the video we will revise all the questions once. Let's start. First one is, what is the brand name given to the Indian cotton on the occasion of the second World Cotton Day recently? Answer is Kasturi cotton. Indian cotton gets brand name and it will be known as Kasturi cotton globally. Recently, the Union Minister of Textiles and Women and Child Development Srimati Smriti Irani launched the first ever brand and logo for Indian cotton on the occasion of World Cotton Day. World Cotton Day is observed on 7th October, which we discussed previously, and from now on the premium cotton of India will be known as Kasturi cotton in the world cotton trade. Next one is, government appointed M. Rajeshwar Rao as the new deputy governor of RBI. How many deputy governors do RBI have? Answer is 4. RBI have a governor and 4 deputy governors. Other 3 deputy governors are MD Patra, BP Kanungo and MK Jain. And who is the governor of RBI? Shaktikanta Das. Rajeshwar Rao succeeds NS Vishwanathan, who resigned recently due to health reasons. Prior to this, Mr. Rajeshwar Rao was an executive director at RBI. I will remind you some important points about RBI. Recently, RBI has extended the marginal standing facility of 3% to banks on net demand and time liabilities till 31st March. Also recently, RBI announced to implement technology vision for cyber security for urban cooperative banks 2020 to 2023 with 5-pillared strategic approach called GUARD, and RBI has projected India's growth rate at minus 4.5% for 2020-21. The RBI board has approved the transfer of 57,128 crore rupees as surplus to the central government for the accounting year 2019-20. And the last one is, RBI had set up an expert committee under KV Kamath to submit its recommendations for resolution of coronavirus related stressed assets. Next question is, when is Air Force Day celebrated in India? Right answer is 8th October. Air Force Day is observed every year on 8th October. This is the 88th anniversary of the foundation day of the Air Force. Indian Air Force was officially established on 8th October 1932 by the British Empire as the Royal Indian Air Force. The name was changed to Indian Air Force in 1950. Remember some important points. Recently, Indian Air Force has launched My IAF app to provide career related information to those who wanted to choose their career in Air Force. Also, Indian Air Force received 5 Rafale jets from France, and at which Air Force station they arrived? They arrived at Ambala Air Force Station, Haryana. And also, Indian Air Force Commanders Conference was held in Delhi recently, and the theme for this conference was IAF in the next decade. Remember, Chief of Air Staff is Air Chief Marshal Rakesh Kumar Singh Bhadauria. Next one is, government launched API integration between PM Swanidhi portal and eMudra portal of which bank? Right answer is State Bank of India. Government launched API integration between PM Swanidhi portal and SBI eMudra portal. API refers to Application Programming Interface. This will facilitate the flow of data between the PM Swanidhi portal and SBI's eMudra portal. This will allow a quick and smooth loan sanctioning and disbursement process to benefit the street vendors seeking a working capital loan under the PM Swanidhi scheme. Remember, this integration will be done by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, and also this integration will be done for the other banks as well in the coming future. Do you remember who was appointed as the new chairman of SBI? Dinesh Kumar Kara. Also remember, recently Charanjit Atra has been appointed as the new chief financial officer of SBI. Next one is, where was the cryogenic oxygen plant commissioned by Inox Air Products recently? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. He inaugurated a new cryogenic oxygen plant that has been commissioned by Inox Air Products, and this is the biggest plant in the state and will help to supply oxygens in hospitals. The highlights of this plant is, it has a capacity of 150 tons per day and will produce liquid oxygen, liquid nitrogen and liquid argon. This plant will help the state to fight the coronavirus and also boost the state's industrial growth by supplying the industrial gases. This plant is part of a MOU that was signed between Inox Air Products and the UP government during the Investors Summit 2018. Next question is, the government of India has approved a memorandum of cooperation in the field of cyber security between India and which country? Right answer is Japan. India and Japan signed a memorandum of cooperation related to cyber security. This MOC will boost the cooperation in areas like capacity building in cyberspace, protection of critical infrastructure and cooperation in emerging technologies, and also sharing information on cyber security threats and malicious cyber activities. Remember one important point, India has launched a national cyber security policy in 2013, and also the digital economy of India stands at 14 to 15% of the total economy. Next one, which country has successfully tested a new hypersonic missile named Zircon? Answer is Russia. Zircon hypersonic cruise missile was successfully tested by Russia. This missile hit the target at a distance of 450 kilometers in just 4.5 minutes after reaching hypersonic speeds of more than Mach 8. This missile is a scramjet powered maneuvering anti-ship hypersonic cruise missile. And also remember another point related to Russia. Maritime Navy exercise Indra Navy was held between India and Russia recently, and also Russia has launched the world's first registered coronavirus vaccine named Sputnik 5. President of Russia is Vladimir Putin, capital is Moscow and currency is Russian ruble. Next question is, which bank has launched an online business monitoring program for MSMEs named MSMEs Prerana? Right answer is Indian Bank. This program was launched by Union Minister of Finance and Corporate Affairs Nirmala Sitharaman. MSME Prerana is an online mentoring program designed for MSMEs, under which MSMEs will have online sessions on managerial and financial skills. These sessions will be conducted by Purnata and Company, with which Indian Bank has collaborated for this purpose. And also remember, recently we discussed about Indian Bank in one of our question. It was for Indian Bank has launched Kisan Credit Card Scheme for fishermen. And also remember, Indian Bank was merged with Allahabad Bank. Next one is, which Indian cricketer has been appointed as the brand ambassador of sports tech startup Huddle? Right answer is Ajinkya Rahane. Huddle is a sports tech startup which has recently announced Indian cricketer Ajinkya Rahane as its brand ambassador. He will promote the brand and also act as an advisor to the startup and provide the strategic inputs and guide the team. Also remember, Ajinkya Rahane is playing for Delhi Capitals team in ongoing Indian Premier League 2020. Also recently other cricketers were also appointed as brand ambassadors for other brands. Paytm has appointed Sachin Tendulkar as brand ambassador for its gaming platform Paytm First Games. Suresh Raina has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Nine Stacks, and also he along with Harmanpreet Kaur were appointed as global brand ambassadors of WTF Sports. And Smriti Mandana and Bhuvaneshwar Kumar were appointed as brand ambassadors of Player Sport, and SportUp has appointed Dwayne Bravo as its brand ambassador, and also Rohit Sharma has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Oakley. eBaygo has announced Harbhajan Singh as its brand ambassador, and the last one is Brett Lee has appointed as the brand ambassador of Sports Adda. Next question is, India with which country will launch constellation of maritime surveillance satellites for Indian Ocean region? Right answer is France. National Center for Space Studies of France and ISRO will jointly launch the constellation of maritime surveillance satellites for Indian Ocean region. The purpose is to trace illegal spillage of oil by ships. This will be the first space-based system in the world capable of tracking ships continuously, and this is part of the commitment made in August 2019 by France and India to develop and build a constellation of satellites to carry telecommunications, radar, optical and remote sensing instruments. Now we will revise the questions once. First one is, what is the brand name given to the Indian cotton on the occasion of the second World Cotton Day recently? Kasturi cotton. Government appointed M. Rajeshwar Rao as the new Deputy Governor of RBI. How many Deputy Governors do RBI have? 4. When is Air Force Day celebrated in India? 8th October. Government launched API integration between PM Swanidhi portal and eMudra portal of which bank? SBI. Where was the cryogenic oxygen plant commissioned by Inox Air Products recently? Uttar Pradesh. The Government of India has approved a memorandum of cooperation in the field of cyber security between India and which country recently? Japan. Which country has successfully tested a new hypersonic missile named Zircon? Russia. Which bank has launched an online business monitoring program for MSMEs named MSME Prerana? Indian Bank. Which Indian cricketer has been appointed as the brand ambassador of sports tech startup Hurdle? Ajinkya Rahane. India with which country will launch constellation of maritime surveillance satellites for Indian Ocean region? France. These are the important current affairs for today. Thank you.